What is up guys, welcome back to my channel GG Forex, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I lay out my charts and what I do to quickly scan through different charts, different time frames very quickly and efficiently using smart charts. So let's just say you've opened up your charts, this is it, and you want to know what it is on a lower time frame. Let's just say I'm going to do a T-wave strategy. Let's click this one, like this, and let's say, oh, okay, I want to know what it's like on the daily chart, okay? Or I want to know what it is on a higher time frame, so this will be the 4-hour chart. So let's just take a look at that. Let's have two charts up. And what you can do is, you see this button here, it says in the top left hand corner, just next to the crosses where you can expand. That means you can actually link. So if I want to say no link, confirm, that means these two charts are completely separate. So let me click that button again, I want to link it, so this is linked. And I'll do the same with this one. So now, if I select Euro Swiss, both charts are syncing to Euro Swiss. So that way, I don't have to keep going through two separate charts, going on two different menus and looking at two different everything. So everything is done with one button. So this is obviously linking to a T-wave strategy. If I want to do the T-wave, this one again, sorry. So it's got the same strategy on at the moment. And if I want to look at the higher time frame, the 4-hour chart, I can do that with literally just one click. I can see we've got higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is obviously going in an upwards trend. And if I wanted to double check again, I can look on the daily, and then I can put in the 200 period exponential moving average. So if anything is if the price is above the 200, as a rule of thumb, it's not a guarantee, but if the price is above the 200 EMA line, the exponential moving average, which is roughly saying, okay, today we want to go long, or today we want to go short, if it's below that line. So let's just add this on here quickly. Let's just put it in EMA, moving average. And it's already programmed in. You can change this if you want in the settings. I don't, so obviously what it's saying is this is above, the price is above the exponential moving average, which means you want to go long, which is further backed up by our 8 is above our 20 moving averages line. So that's like showing you the average moving price in a more accurate way. So if you wanted to go long in this position, so obviously Smart Charts is saying right now on this T-wave move on the 1-hour chart with the AUD against the New Zealand dollars, is saying you want to go for a long position. So in order to check this, what you can do, so everything at the moment is saying yes, but as you can see, I wouldn't take this trade because it's already happened, it's moved too fast. That is one of the problems when you use the lower time frame strategies, is it's saying that you want to buy in here on this blue dot, your stop loss needs to be there, and your take profit is up here. But as you can see, because it's a T-wave, this is a nice low test. You can see it's opened here, it's pushed up a little bit, then it's come all the way down, and buyers have regained control, and it's closed back up top, performing a nice T. So obviously this has triggered Smart Charts, the software, scanned it, brought it up for us. It's obviously a nice bullish trend, it's clean, the moving averages are nice and separate, there's nothing to say this is going to go down at all. But as you can see, the move has already happened, the price has already gone past the buy entry point, so you wouldn't actually go ahead on that trade because it's already happened. But as you can see previously, so Smart Charts calling it out, it's got it perfectly bang on. Entry, profit, stop loss. It hasn't passed the stop loss and it's gone past the profit mark. Same here, entry, stop loss, profit. It hasn't gone past the stop loss point and it's gone past the profit point. So that's two winning trades there that Smart Chart has pointed out. So yeah, the strategy works. So that is one way you can look at two time frames. You can look at the same currency in two different time frames, and that way you can really get a good idea of what's going on very quickly with just one click of a button. So if you are using Smart Charts, set your charts up like this because it makes life a whole lot easier. But yeah guys, so I hope you found that helpful. I hope you found it a little bit easier to navigate your charts now, wherever you can do this on Smart Charts, wherever you can do this on eToro or Plus 500 or whatever, or Robinhood, or whatever trading platform you choose to use, if you set your charts up like this, it just makes scanning and analysing charts so much easier. Sorry for my dog kicking off in the background, but yeah, if you like this guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.